Under the leadership of the Ministry of Interior and the Somali Police Force, we were pleased to be part of the inauguration of the Maritime Law Enforcement Facility in the port of Mogadiscio. This state-of-the-art facility will support Somalia in policing its maritime security.
UNOPS has implemented this project to deliver a headquarters. The end results mean that the Somali Police Force and the Maritime Police Force will have a much more effective ability to operate, interact offshore and within the coastal areas of Somalia to ensure maritime crime is reduced.
Doing this together, there is no more important partner for us than the federal government of Somalia, and working with our partners across the United Nations and across the European Union, we can make a real difference in the maritime capability of the federal government of Somalia.